Who's in the box? What's in the box?
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Jack on the Tracks. You know what it is? What's in the box? Let's see what we got here. Good tape. I know what's in the box. You know what's in the box? Let's see what's in the box. Alright. Alright, so once again, one of the eBay auction. I've never seen these things before. Oh, take some space on. Alright, one of the eBay auction. I got these for a good price. I got them for less than sticker price delivered. Not by much, but by a few bucks. If the price on Titchys website is accurate, I should have paid $36 for these. I paid like $32 delivered. So, reality, I saved money because I have to put gas in my truck. I got 3 of those. I actually now have 4. I don't believe these have these are 50-foot. Let me see. These are 50. I don't know if these come with decals. No, I don't see decals in here. No, directions. Yeah, you're gonna have to get weighed down. We're gonna go with a set of metal wheels on these Titchys. Nice looking kits. They look pretty decent. Top, bottom too. And someone said something about you could flip these around. I don't think so. Yeah, someone said you could flip the deck around and make it a road railer or a truck on train thing. I don't know, I don't think so. We'll see more when we get into it. Oh, it's got some metal grab irons, brass grab irons. It's got the trucks with plastic wheels and a weight. That weight, man, is real light. So I don't know. Yeah, we're gonna have to add a little weight to this thing because that's way too light. Yeah, typical Titchy quality. Very sharp looking details on it. We'll get further in that because we're gonna have 4 of these to build. All right. Once again, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Catch you later.